Hello everyone, welcome to my video tutorial. I'm teacher Kiran and today I'm going to share with you how to use the whiteboard feature for your Google Meet class. Okay, so now I'm already in my Google Meet class. I can either choose the options here where you have the three buttons. Click and then you choose whiteboard, or another option is to just click on the activities and choose whiteboarding. Okay, so what we normally do is we choose the option and we click whiteboard. Then you click on start a new whiteboard. So this whiteboard is actually linked to Jamboard. Okay, you don't have to download anything. It's already together with Google Meet. Okay, so you can change or rename your whiteboard lesson. I'm going to rename it to my holiday. Oops. Okay, so the name appears here. Okay, and if you want your whiteboard to be interactive where your students can also access and type something, okay, then you need to change the setting. Okay, you go to this anyone with the link. Okay, then at the side here you need to click to editor. Okay, so you just have to make sure that it can be shared with anyone with the link who has this link, and you need to change from viewer to editor. Okay, then you don't forget, you need to copy the link and click done. Okay, then you go back to your Google Meet page and you click on the message box or the chat box. There is already one link there, but the link is without the change. So now you have made some changes. You paste the link in the chat box so that all your students can click on this link to access the whiteboard for the lesson. Okay, so I've just clicked the link and I am able to use the whiteboard. So as a student, your students can also use this whiteboard. Okay, let's look at some of the features in this whiteboard. So at the top here are the pages. You can have many pages, okay, as many pages as you want. So don't have to worry if you have a lot to teach. Okay, this can be used for any subjects. Okay, right. You can set the background color. Okay, I like to use this blue. And perhaps for page 2, you want to change to this lines and so on and so forth. Okay, so we go back to page 1. Okay, so the first option here, the first feature here is the writing one, the writing tools. Okay, you have the writing tools, you have a pen, you have a marker, you have a highlighter, and you have a brush, and you can choose the colors. I usually prefer the marker, okay, and I can write anything I want here. It's not that easy to write actually, so I prefer to type. Okay, if I wish to delete something or erase something, then I click on the second feature or the icon, then I can delete. I can erase this. But if I wish to delete the whole thing, then I can just simply clear the frame. Okay, you can even undo and you can clear again. Okay, right. So this is the pointer feature. And the next feature is the one that I use a lot, the sticky note. Okay, so my holiday. Save. So you can click and enlarge it. My holiday. Okay, then I can even change the color for this. Okay, if I wish to type another box, I can either click on sticky note or I can click here and duplicate. So when I duplicate, I can click on edit. I can change the color and I can change the text. Okay, Penang Island. Oh boy, I do miss going for holidays. Okay, the next feature is adding image. If I'm teaching my students something new and they do not know what I'm talking about, okay, let's say food, Okay, they don't really know what a pancake is. So I can show them a picture of a pancake. Okay, I went to Penang Island for my holidays and I had pancakes for breakfast. Teacher, what is a pancake? So you can show the picture of a pancake. Okay, then this one is for shapes. There are many shapes here that you can choose. Okay, so I'm going to choose the square. In fact, I can make it into a rectangle. Okay, and I can click this option here to change the color. Okay, then I can add a text. So you click on the text box and click on the image or the shape and type there food. The food that I had for breakfast at the hotel. Ooh, I love buffet food at the hotel. Okay, right. So then you can use the last feature, laser, to point and teach. Okay, so that's about it. You can get your students to type something on the sticky notes. How do you feel today? Okay, then on the next page, you can write something else. So you can plan your lesson and make use of the whiteboard. I'm sure your students will have a lot of fun. So please do share and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. My upcoming tutorial will be sharing of my interactive class, my class using this whiteboard. You can see or you can view from my video how my students answer using the whiteboard. Okay, have fun trying and good luck. Bye bye.